The Cashback RRSP. This is how it works. The following video is for education purposes only, and you should always seek out professional advice from your own personal advisor. This video is also intended for British Columbia residents only. The Cashback RRSP. Exclusively for British Columbia residents only. Using your current RRSP, you can receive a refundable tax credit for 30% cash back. Here's how it works. In the province of British Columbia, there's something called the Small Business Venture Capital Tax Credit. The Small Business Venture Capital Tax Credit encourages investors to make equity and capital investments in BC small businesses in order to give small businesses access to early stage venture capital to help them develop and grow. So if you live in the province of British Columbia, you're eligible to receive a 30% refundable tax credit when you invest in a qualified BC company. Now for the best part. If the BC qualified company is also RRSP eligible, then you can use your current RRSP funds to invest in the BC company and receive a refundable tax credit as cash back. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Here's how. 1. Find a qualifying BC company. 2. Invest using your current RRSP. 3. Receive a refundable tax credit. From British Columbia, 30%. It's cash back. Here's an example. Let's say you have an RRSP with $10,000 in it. Then you find a BC company to invest in that offers a British Columbia Small Business Venture Capital Tax Credit and is also RRSP eligible. Once you've found it, you decide to use your funds in your RRSP to invest in the shares of that company. Let's see what that looks like. Since the BC company is RRSP eligible and you are acquiring those shares through and in your RRSP, that means those shares are in your RRSP and your RRSP purchases those shares for you. There is no withdrawal from the RRSP and no further monies are needed. There's some paperwork and primarily that's it. Then once you've invested, you receive a refundable tax credit of 30% from the province of British Columbia. Since the company you invested in qualifies for both the Small Business Venture Capital Tax Credit and RRSP, then you've effectively used $10,000 in your RRSP funds to get $3,000 cash back as a refundable tax credit from the province of British Columbia. So, in summary, using your RRSP, you invested $10,000 into a qualifying BC company. That's 10,000 times 30% equals $3,000 cash back from your RRSP. That's the Cashback RRSP. Thank you for watching.